This is my Elderflower Champine. Try saying that without sounding like a Brummy. And this is stage 1. So all you need to do is put your water into a bucket, make sure you sterilise it, and then add your sugar. I'm using an unrefined castor sugar, but you can go your own way. And then give it a really good whisk until the sugar's dissolved. Add a splash of white wine vinegar, and then I'm adding the zest and juice of a lemon. And then this is where the champagne bit kicks in. Obviously, I can't call it champagne because it's not made in Champagne. So I'm going to use a bit of pine, and this is the new growth of the pine, nice and tender. However, at this moment, it's not really going to do much in the bucket of water and sugar. So I'm just going to bash it just to release those flavours, get the oils going, get the juices flowing, and you'll smell it straight away. And look at that, nice and bruised. So get that in the bucket. And then I bashed about another 5 or 6 of the new shoots and got that into the bucket as well, and straight away it's starting to smell good. We're building all of that baseline flavour. Then get your elderflowers in there. You can just use a fork and pull off the flowers, but I want to get as much pollen and flavour in there as possible, and I don't want any of that green stalk in there because again it's slightly toxic, but also it's not really going to add anything. So once you've done that, give it a really good mix and a whisk up, and then pop a lid on. And I'm going to leave this for about a week to start to brew and ferment and let that wild yeast start to feed on the water and the sugar and start to release the carbon dioxide and produce ethanol or alcohol. So I'll see you in a week's time.